Here's the date and time. Here's the time. 17:03 hours on Saturday, the 12th of September in the year 2020. We're gonna unbox this. A SCHLAGE keyed knob. Trusted for 100 years, since SCHLAGE was established in 1920. So, I'm gonna take my Nikon camera off my tripod, and we're gonna get this thing on. I'm gonna take this thing out of the box, show you what it looks like. Also, by the way, that is my first deadbolt, which you can see a video of it in that door. Alright. Now, maybe wondering why it's not as bright outside. You may not really see, but it's actually not that bright outside. Why? Because of wildfire smoke where I am. In the meantime, let's get this thing unboxed. So, let's take this thing out of the box. So, something like that. Okay. Comes with that. Alright, so here's the assembly. That's like the main assembly, should I say. Oh! So this works kind of differently. Oh, now I see. Now I get it. Four, 5, 7. Alright, here are the two keys. And I have a serial number I have the lock serial of 45769. Which, to me, that seems somewhat familiar. Nope, that's not it. Oh, so close. Here's one that has a somewhat similar serial number. This one has the lock serial of, I'm not sure if you can see, 46569. But I'm gonna compare each of my keys to it and see if it has any chance. See if any of them have a chance of unlocking it. Well, raise my... Well, I'll be damned. This one is actually quite similar. So, let's try it out. Oh, so close. But hey, at least I got so many other keys to try out. It's like it's unreal. What about this crazy Walmart key? Nope. What else? Seems like the only close match I can get is with this key here. But it's like they have similar, somewhat similar let's see here. 4. Oh, you know, now I'm wondering. It's like it has 5 numbers, and the grooves are in different at different heights. So I'm wondering if the serial number is for how deep each groove is. It's like 4, 6, 5, 6, 9 in that order. But that's just my assumption right now. So it's best if you take that to a grain of sand. Here's unlocked and then locked. Okay. Alright, so it can be adjusted. Say, here's 2 3/4 inch depth and 2 3/8 inch depth, but I like the 2 3/4 inch depth. I don't know why, but then it slides in like that. Not sure if you saw it. It's like this. The little thing inside, the little turn piece has to be on with this little rod in the center that I'm turning. It's like they both have to be aligned. So let's see if I can. Here we go. But yeah. And I say, and now the reason why I got the reason why I got it in aged bronze is because, which might as well do it now, but let's see here, where did I put the keys? Where the hell did I put its damn keys? No, well, but there it is. It's right in front of me, this whole damn damn time. But anyway, um, the reason why is because of this. A SCHLAGE single-cylinder deadbolt. Now, you've seen, now again, I temporarily installed this in my door. Here's one of its two keys, with a serial number of, the log serial of 85733. Now I've had this for a little over a month. I've had some fun with it already. Now, what I'm gonna do in the future is that I'm gonna get one of these keys. I'm gonna get these keys duplicated at a local hardware store. Same with this SCHLAGE key. Same with this key for the deadbolt. Of course, the knob comes with its own goodies. Let's see how it opens. Here's a QR code. Not sure if you could scan it, but let's see here. Ah. Great. See if I could use a screwdriver. Okay then, I have to use scissors. Ah. Get this thing open. There we go. Let's see. What does it come with? Let's open the bag and find out. So what are the goodies? Come with this thing. Comes with a latch, what I call a latch ramp. An adapter for a latch adapter for doors that only have the one hole instead of the little pit for the plate, kind of like on this deadbolt. Like the knob also has one as well. But yeah. And what is this? I'm not sure what this is, but I'm not sure if this is like a tool to like change whatever. See what this does. See what it does. But one thing I am not seeing. Oh, right. Has the screws. There it is. The screws. Now, a majority of the screws is like a lot of screws that I get from door hardware. They go in a box. This box that I labeled door hardware. And guess what? Guess what's inside? Everything related to door hardware. There's even actual door hardware inside. But mainly it's just screws and plates and all that stuff. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in these 2 screws and then maybe unlock it and lock it a couple times and turn the knob, perhaps, and then now I believe this is a Phillips size 0 screwdriver, although it looks like it would need like a Phillips size 1 driver. Now don't be surprised if you see this in the door in the not too distant future. Do not be surprised. Now for the other one. Come on now. And there it is. Assembled. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab one of the keys off this ring, and then I'm gonna put it with this. I'm gonna put it on this ring here. Then I'm gonna put the other one on a separate ring for duplication only. And this one will do. So yeah, this is what a SCHLAGE key looks like, brand new. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's like those numbers represent the different cut depths. It's like 4, 5, 4, a 5, a 7, a 6, and 9. Huh. Maybe that's what they meant. but I could be wrong. And you guys can say, and if I'm wrong, you ought to blame me. Oh. Oh, it works the other way. Well, that's good to know. And it seems like that this knob's default position is unlocked. So there you have it. You know, this would actually look good together in a set. I gotta admit. But yeah. There's a SCHLAGE keyed knob and a SCHLAGE single cylinder deadbolt. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the rest of the hardware the knob came with, excluding this other key, in the box of door hardware. Which, now that I think about it, I think I'll need a bigger box. Anyway, you got 2 screws for the latch plate. It's like this latch plate. And you got 2 other screws for the latch ramp. Then you got this thing on my dagger here. Not sure what this does, but that's going in the box. And of course, I'm going to keep the manual. In the box. So yeah, if you actually liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And also let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. So with that being said, until next time, drive safely.